The recent news that Ripple and the SEC are embroiled in a legal battle over the status of XRP as a security has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency industry. The SEC has alleged that Ripple and its executives have violated federal securities laws by selling XRP as an unregistered security. Ripple has maintained that XRP is a digital asset and not a security, and that the SEC lawsuit is without merit. Recently, Ripple's attorney has stated that the SEC has admitted that Ripple is a software code, which could be a potential win for Ripple in the case. In this article, we will explore the implications of this admission and what it could mean for Ripple's future. Background on the Ripple and SEC legal battle. Ripple is a global payment and remittance network that uses its own cryptocurrency, XRP, to facilitate transactions. XRP is one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, and has been trading on exchanges for several years. In December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple alleging that XRP was a security and that Ripple had violated federal securities laws by selling XRP without registering it as a security. Ripple has strongly denied these allegations and has argued that XRP is not a security and that the SEC has no jurisdiction over the digital asset. The case is currently pending in federal court and is being closely watched by the cryptocurrency industry. SEC admits Ripple as a software code. In a recent hearing, Ripple's attorney Jeremy Hogan stated that the SEC has admitted that Ripple is a software code. Hogan argued that this admission is a potential win for Ripple, as the SEC's previous legal position was that XRP was a security. According to Hogan, the SEC's position has changed and that it now acknowledges that Ripple is a software code. Implications of the SEC's admission. The implications of the SEC's admission that Ripple is a software code are far-reaching. It could mean that XRP is not a security, as the SEC has claimed, and that Ripple and its executives have not violated federal securities laws. If this is the case, then it could be a major victory for Ripple and could potentially result in the dismissal of the SEC's lawsuit. It could also mean that the SEC has changed its stance on cryptocurrencies and digital assets. The SEC has long maintained that cryptocurrencies and digital assets are securities and have been cracking down on exchanges and companies that are not compliant with federal securities laws. The SEC's admission that Ripple is a software code could signal a shift in the agency's stance on cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Conclusion. The news that the SEC has admitted that Ripple is a software code is a potential win for Ripple in its legal battle with the agency. If the SEC's admission stands, then it could mean that XRP is not a security and that Ripple and its executives have not violated federal securities laws. It could also signal a shift in the SEC's stance on cryptocurrencies and digital assets, which could open the door for greater adoption of digital assets in the future.